Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Transesterification is the exchange of the alkoxy group of an ester with an alcohol catalyzed by an acid, TSOH, or base, under heating conditions. Moving on to the next step. Identify the reaction type. Methylacrylate, H to C is equal to CHC, is equal to O, OCH3, reacts with N-butyl alcohol, CH3CH to CH2O, in the presence of TSOH, acid catalyst, and heat. This is an acid-catalyzed transesterification reaction. Moving on to the next step. In transesterification, the OCH3 group of methylacrylate is replaced by the OCH to CH to CH3 group from N-butyl alcohol, releasing methanol, CH3O, BPT 65 degrees Celsius, as the byproduct. And for the final step, H to C is equal to CHC, is equal to O, OCH to CH to CH3, boiling point 145 degrees Celsius, consistent with the given BPT for product A. Verify with boiling points. Methanol, BPT 65 degrees Celsius, matches the byproduct given. The product A at BPT 145 degrees Celsius is consistent with N-propyl acrylate. N-butyl acrylate has BPT tilde 145 degrees C, confirming option A. Option B, CH, Me2 is an isopropyl group, but N-butyl alcohol is a straight-chain primary alcohol, not isopropyl alcohol. Option C, this would be a Michael addition product where methanol adds across the double bond, not transesterification, also the double bond would be lost. Option D, this would require C to C bond formation or a completely different reaction mechanism, not transesterification. The acid catalyst TSOH specifically promotes transesterification without Michael addition under these conditions, and the driving force is removal of methanol, lower boiling point, 65 degrees Celsius, from the equilibrium. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.